say?
Jackson.
Mallory.
What are we doing, guys?
We're jumping out of a plane.
With total strangers. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Ready to go.
You trust him to throw you out?
Oh, yes, I have to.
You guys are both crazy. Whose idea was this? Your fault if this goes wrong. That's what my wife says. Always blame the man when you can, right?
Always.
So, last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this?
Let's do it.
Nothing. Taking it to the grave.
Let's go.
It's always the same for me. Computer, tablet, phone, burned, all buried in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Are we celebrating anything or just checking this off the list?
Checking it off. Vacation, baby.
Let's have some fun.
Let's go.
Let's have some fun. Here we go.
You ready? Oh, let's go.
Let's get in, let's get up, let's get out, and go rocket skydive and have some fun. High five. Here we go. Woo. Yeah. Okay.
Parachute. How does it feel?
So good.
Did you like it?
It's awesome.
Woo! So this is my office.
It's way better than Kansas.
Woo! It's a little different. I'll see what this parachute. Down towards your foot. Yeah. Let that down.
The rest of the day is going to be so boring.
The bungee jump will be pretty good. That'll take your stomach more than the skydive.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm ready for that. That was awesome though.
I don't know if I could do the bungee jumping, so good luck with
that.
that.
I had no choice. He doesn't really give me a choice.
Sounds like you guys are going to have a good day no matter what.
Yeah.
You're the reason I got to skydive today, so
Heck
thank you for jumping with us
of
to
course.
Skydive
Thank you so much. You're awesome.
Come see us again.